might think occasional bloating or fatigue is just part of modern life. But what if your body is sending you urgent distress signals that you are completely ignoring? By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to decode these messages. Most people wait until they are in pain to act. We are going to stop that cycle today. Welcome to the Healthy Root. We believe true wellness grows from the foundation up. Too many of us are chasing quick fixes for energy, skin, or mood, while ignoring the engine room of our entire body, our gut. If you feel sluggish, anxious, or constantly puffy, it is not just bad luck. It is likely your microbiome crying out for help. We cut through the noise of trendy diets to give you science-backed strategies that actually heal. Imagine waking up light, energetic, and confident in your own skin. That is the future we are building together, rooted in real biology, not hype. We are going to break this down into 5 clear steps. First, we will identify the silent signs most doctors miss. Second, we will uncover the root causes hiding in your daily habits. Third, we will introduce the foundational foods that repair your lining. Fourth, we will master the lifestyle triggers that sabotage your progress. And finally, we will build your personalized 7-day reset plan. By the end, you will have a complete roadmap to reclaim your digestive health and transform your overall vitality. Let's dive in. Let's start with step 1, identifying the silent signs. Most people associate gut issues with obvious things like stomach pain or diarrhea, but the gut is connected to everything. The first silent sign is unexplained brain fog. If you find yourself struggling to concentrate, forgetting words, or feeling mentally cloudy after meals, your gut may be inflamed. When the gut lining is compromised, toxins can leak into the bloodstream, affecting brain function. This is often called the gut-brain axis. If you feel tired immediately after eating, especially carbs, pay attention. That is not normal digestion. That is your body struggling to process what you just consumed. The second silent sign is skin issues. Acne, eczema, and rosacea are often external reflections of internal inflammation. If you have tried every cream and serum with no results, look inward. Your skin is your largest organ, and it communicates directly with your microbiome. An imbalance in gut bacteria can trigger systemic inflammation that manifests as redness or breakouts. Many people spend hundreds on skincare when the solution lies in their dinner plate. If your skin is reactive, your gut is likely reactive too. The third sign, and perhaps the most overlooked, is mood instability. Anxiety and depression are increasingly linked to gut health. 95% of your serotonin, the happiness hormone, is produced in your gut, not your brain. If your microbiome is unhealthy, your production of neurotransmitters drops. This can lead to feelings of anxiety, low mood, or irritability that seem to come out of nowhere. If you notice your mood dips after certain meals, or if you feel generally anxious without a clear cause, your gut bacteria may be out of balance. This is why fixing your gut can often feel like fixing your mind. Now that we have identified the signs, let's move to step 2, uncovering the root causes. Why is this happening? The primary culprit is often chronic stress. When you're stressed, your body diverts blood flow away from digestion to your muscles and heart. This slows down digestion, allowing food to ferment in the gut, causing bloating and gas. Over time, this constant state of fight or flight weakens the gut lining. Think about your day. Are you eating while rushing? Are you checking emails during lunch? This habit tells your body it is not safe to digest. You must signal safety to your body before you eat. The second root cause is processed foods and sugar. Industrial seed oils, refined sugars, and artificial additives strip away the beneficial bacteria in your gut. They feed the harmful bacteria and yeast, leading to an overgrowth known as dysbiosis. This imbalance crowds out the good guys that keep you healthy. It is not just about calories, it is about information. Every bite of food sends a message to your cells. Processed foods send a message of inflammation and chaos. Whole, nutrient-dense foods send a message of repair and stability. If your diet is high in packaged items, your gut is likely in a state of constant emergency. The third root cause is antibiotic use and environmental toxins. While antibiotics save lives, they also wipe out your microbiome indiscriminately. Without proper rebuilding, your gut remains vulnerable. Additionally, pesticides, herbicides, and plastics in our environment can disrupt hormonal balance and gut integrity. We cannot control everything, but we can reduce our exposure. Choosing organic produce when possible, filtering your water, and avoiding plastic containers for hot foods are small steps that reduce the toxic load on your system. Your gut is the filter for your entire body. Keep it clean. Before we go further, take a moment. If you are realizing that stress or diet might be playing a bigger role than you thought, hit that like button. It helps more people find this information and supports the Healthy Root in creating deeper dives into these topics. It is a small gesture, but it makes a big difference in spreading awareness. Now, let's lock in step 3, foundational foods that repair. You cannot out-supplement a bad diet. Healing starts with what you put on your plate. The first foundational food is bone broth. Rich in collagen and amino acids like glycine and proline, bone broth helps seal the gaps in the gut lining. Think of it as mortar for your brick wall. Drinking a cup of warm bone broth daily can soothe inflammation and provide the building blocks for tissue repair. If you are vegan, a rich vegetable broth with seaweed and mushrooms can offer similar minerals, though collagen is unique to animal products. The second foundational food is fermented foods. Sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and yogurt contain live probiotics that repopulate your gut with beneficial bacteria. But here is the key. Start slow. Introducing too many probiotics too quickly can cause more bloating. Start with 1 teaspoon of sauerkraut juice or a small sip of kefir daily. Gradually increase as your body adapts. These foods are powerful medicine. They introduce diversity to your microbiome, which is the hallmark of a healthy gut. Diversity equals resilience. The third foundational food is soluble fiber from low FODMAP sources. While fiber is good, some fibers ferment rapidly and cause gas. Focus on gentle fibers like oats, cooked carrots, zucchini, and bananas. These feed your good bacteria without causing excessive fermentation. Prebiotic fibers are the fuel for your probiotics. Without fuel, the good bacteria starve. By combining fermented foods with gentle prebiotics, you create a thriving ecosystem. Avoid raw cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower initially, as they can be hard to digest. Cook them thoroughly to break down the tough cellulose. Now, let's address a common mistake. Many people jump straight into high-fiber diets or intense probiotic supplements without preparing the gut. This is like planting seeds in rocky soil. You must soften the soil first. Start with easily digestible, soothing foods for the first week. Think soups, stews, and steamed vegetables. Give your digestive system a break from heavy, raw, or complex meals. Once the inflammation subsides, you can gradually reintroduce more variety. Patience is crucial here. Healing is not linear, but it is consistent if you stay the course. Let's pause for a second. I want you to think about your last meal. Did it make you feel energized or sluggish? Type energy or sluggish in the comments below. Sharing your experience helps build a community of awareness. It also helps me tailor future content to your specific struggles. Your feedback drives the direction of the Healthy Root. Now, let's move to step 4, mastering lifestyle triggers. Food is only half the equation. How you eat matters just as much. The first lifestyle trigger is chewing. Digestion begins in the mouth. Saliva contains enzymes that start breaking down starches. If you swallow large chunks of food, your stomach has to work overtime to break them down. This leads to incomplete digestion and fermentation. Aim to chew each bite 20 to 30 times. It sounds tedious, but it transforms digestion. Set your fork down between bites. Slow down. Make eating a mindful practice, not a race. The second lifestyle trigger is hydration timing. Drinking large amounts of water with meals dilutes stomach acid. Stomach acid is essential for breaking down proteins and killing pathogens. If it is diluted, digestion becomes inefficient. Drink most of your water between meals, not during. Sip small amounts if needed, but avoid gulping down a full glass with your food. This simple switch can significantly reduce bloating and improve nutrient absorption. Your stomach needs an acidic environment to function correctly. Respect that balance. The third lifestyle trigger is sleep. Poor sleep disrupts the circadian rhythm of your gut. Your microbiome has its own clock, syncing with your sleep-wake cycle. Irregular sleep patterns confuse your gut bacteria, leading to metabolic issues and inflammation. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Keep a consistent bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends. Create a dark, cool sleeping environment. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, including your gut lining. Neglecting sleep is neglecting your digestion. There is one more hidden trigger: movement. Sedentary lifestyles slow down motility, the movement of food through the digestive tract. Gentle movement after meals, like a 10-minute walk, stimulates digestion and reduces blood sugar spikes. You do not need intense workouts. Just get moving. Gravity and muscle contraction help push food along. If you sit all day, your gut sits too. Stand up, stretch, and walk. Most people ignore these lifestyle factors because they seem too simple, but simplicity is where the magic happens. Consistency in small habits yields massive results over time. Do not underestimate the power of chewing, hydrating correctly, sleeping well, and walking. These are the pillars that support your dietary changes. Without them, even the best diet will fall short. Now let's talk about the next part that changes everything. Many people think they need expensive tests or specialized protocols, but the truth is, your body gives you feedback every day. Listen to it. If a food makes you feel bad, stop eating it. If a habit makes you feel good, keep doing it. You are your own best experiment. Track your symptoms. Keep a journal. Note what you eat, how you sleep, and how you feel. Patterns will emerge. This data is more valuable than any generic advice. Let's move to step 5, building your personalized 7-day reset plan. This is where we put it all together. For the next 7 days, we are going to simplify. Eliminate processed foods, added sugars, alcohol, and caffeine. Focus on whole, single-ingredient foods. Start each day with warm lemon water to stimulate digestion. Have a breakfast of eggs or oatmeal with berries. Lunch should be a large salad with protein and olive oil, or a hearty soup. Dinner should be early, at least 3 hours before bed, consisting of lean protein and cooked vegetables. Snack only if necessary, choosing nuts, seeds, or fruit. Drink water throughout the day, stopping an hour before meals. Chew every bite thoroughly. Take a 10-minute walk after lunch and dinner. Prioritize sleep by turning off screens an hour before bed. Practice 5 minutes of deep breathing before meals to activate your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest mode. This plan is not about restriction. It is about giving your gut a chance to heal. It is about resetting your baseline. During this week, you may experience detox symptoms like headaches or fatigue. This is normal. Your body is adjusting. Push through. By day 4 or 5, you should start noticing lighter digestion, clearer skin, and more stable energy. This is the payoff. This is what healing feels like. After 7 days, you can slowly reintroduce foods one at a time to see how your body reacts. This method empowers you to understand your unique tolerances. No two guts are alike. Your path is unique. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. You will have bad days. You will eat foods that don't agree with you. That is okay. The goal is progress, not perfection. Each meal is a new opportunity to nourish your roots. Each day is a chance to grow stronger. The Healthy Root is here to support you every step of the way. We are building a community of people who choose health from the ground up. You are not alone in this. As we wrap up this section, remember the micro T's I mentioned earlier. Most people think gut health is just about probiotics, but we have seen that it is about stress, sleep, chewing, and lifestyle. It is holistic, it is rooted, and this holistic approach is what sets you apart from the quick fix crowd. You are building lasting health, not temporary relief. Keep this mindset. It will serve you for life. You now have the tools to decode your body's signals. You know the silent signs of gut distress, the root causes hiding in your habits, the foundational foods that heal, the lifestyle triggers that sabotage, and the 7-day plan to reset. You are no longer guessing. You are empowered. Imagine waking up tomorrow without bloat, with clear skin and steady energy. That reality is within your reach. It starts with your next meal. It starts with your next breath. If this guide helped you understand your body better, subscribe to The Healthy Root. We release new strategies every week to help you grow your wellness from the ground up. Do not miss what is coming next. You now know how to identify and heal basic gut issues. But if you want to eliminate bloating permanently and optimize your digestion for peak performance, there is one thing most people miss. It is not about what you eat, but when you eat. Timing is the secret lever that unlocks total digestive freedom, and I break it down completely in the next video, the 3-step morning routine to fix bloating before breakfast. Click here to watch it now and take the next step in your transformation.